Here we had showers and thunderstorms, not any severe weather this morning, and then nice this afternoon, beautiful this evening. Tomorrow, okay for outside activity. Rain factor 6. Hello, Papillion. This is our view from Sac Federal Credit Union right along Highway 370. That's this road right here where it intersects 72nd Street. And look at that beautiful western sky right now as the sun has set. Air is calm, dew point 66, temperature 76. That's nice. A lot of spots in the low to mid 70s around Douglas, Sarpy, and Pottawatomie County at this hour. 76 the Council Bluffs Airport. But the air is a little more comfortable now. Dew point has dropped off into the mid 60s. Gives you a spot where the temperatures could very well get to, unless you're right in the middle of the city of Omaha, where the temperature seems to hang up a few more degrees because of the heat island effect. Concrete keeps us a little bit warmer. Nothing now on Super Doppler 7 radar. Evening showers have drifted south and fallen apart. Clouds have thinned out. Now it's mostly clear eastern Nebraska, western Iowa. Severe weather watch out here for the Panhandle. Also up toward Rapid City, some storms are just now getting going. Those are probably going to come eastward, but they're a long way away and probably not going to get here overnight tonight. There's our computer model, the GFS, which has the overnight rains heading across South Dakota, but a little bit down to here tomorrow evening and then tomorrow night. And then as we go into Thursday, another chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially east of us, according to the GFS, but has pretty heavy rain through Friday and then dry weather on Saturday and Sunday. European computer model. A little bit late day tomorrow, a little bit more later tomorrow night, and then that's about it as it keeps most of the rain off to the north of us for Friday, Saturday, and also Sunday. So not as much moisture from that European computer model, but some rain chances tomorrow evening. The morning and midday, temperatures upper 60s and then upper 70s. They will reach the mid 80s in the afternoon. High pressure is east of us, keeping a little bit drier air into eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, the rain to the west of us overnight. There's tomorrow. A few showers and thunderstorms get going and then move down into the area for tomorrow night. So that's our rain chance tomorrow evening with the front coming on through. 67 the low tonight. Pretty comfortable with clear to partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow morning, 70 at 8 a.m. Midday, 80. The afternoon, 85, but a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. So we may not get through the entire day dry. That's why we have the impact weather icon there. Also, potential impact weather, especially just east of us into Iowa on Thursday, as our latest computer model is sort of targeting just 30, 40 miles east of Omaha for some strong thunderstorms on Thursday, perhaps missing the Omaha Metro. Then dry for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which is good for the Pinnacle Bank Classic.